Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the SEC can actually theoretically approve the first Bitcoin spot ETF this week. But how likely is this? Well, let's talk about that. Then the second news is all about that is altcoin season coming? According to some technical analysis, yes, it is. And the third news is all about that SEC announced a $24 million settlement for case against Bittrex and its former CEO. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh videos to keep you up to date. I'm making this couple of short videos every day. You know, the most important news in 60 seconds, but then you have these longer videos between Monday and Friday when I get more into the details. So if you do not want to miss a single thing in blockchain crypto, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel and then you won't miss a single thing, as I said. Also, if you like this kind of content when I'm creating, then do not forget to hit the like button. Highly appreciate it. Thanks a lot. And now let's do it. Okay, and how the market looks like? Well, Bitcoin didn't really go up. It went down slightly. So the sideways movement is continuing. As you can see, Bitcoin is at the moment 29,470 or 82 US dollar. Then we have Ethereum 1,852 US dollar. The winner in the top 100 today is Thorchain with just 3%, Wu Network 2.5%, Shiba 2%, not a huge move at all. In the opposite side, the loser, GMX, is the biggest loser in the top 100 with 9%, XDC Network with 6%, and R-Wave with about 3.5%. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, the Bitcoin daily one, we can see that now we're using this trend line as a support level. Which is not bad, because then we now, getting some momentum maybe, but we do have to break above this resistance, what we have here, which is at the end of 29,000, and actually close above it, stay above it. That gives a bullish perspective. On the other hand, the first topic today I'm going to talk about is all about that can the first Bitcoin spot ETF be approved this week, and maybe actually today. It's not that likely. Let's talk about it, because obviously that will be a game changer. So guys, let's move on to the first topic. Okay, so we have, the SEC to announce major Bitcoin ETF decision tomorrow, which is actually rather today. The deadline for this Bitcoin spot ETF, I'm talking about ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF, is actually on the 13th, but this is Sunday. Today is the 11th, which means probably they're going to announce the result after the closing hours today, but on Friday, most likely. We had the first deadline. Of course, nothing happened. Then now we have the second one, but the most likely is, this is what the majority is at least saying, that it will be postponed until the last final deadline, which is the 10th of January. BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF's deadline is the 15th of March next year. So this is again a question that will this be approved, or they will start with BlackRock? We're going to see it. We're going to see it how that works. Anyway, from the side of ARK Invest, we have Katie Wood, and also from separately from her, Galaxy Digital CEO, Mike Novogratz. And as you can see, they both confident that SEC will approve spot Bitcoin ETFs. The question is rather when, not if. So actually it could be major if it's just happening now, but it's not likely. Rather, they're going to wait with this. But yeah, you never know the future. So we will see. Okay, then the second topic I would like to talk about is technical analysis suggests that the altcoin season may come soon. Okay, so altcoin season may come soon, according to this article here from CoinDesk. And there is actually an inverse head and shoulders pattern on one of the most trusted bullish price setups is building in the altcoin market. Here you can see in this video the Bitcoin volume dominance on exchanges, and this means all top exchanges, and you can see that the volume and the Bitcoin volume used to be 45%, now it's down to 27. So the orange one is the Bitcoin, and obviously the bluish purplish is the are the altcoins. And when we're looking at this tool, is the altcoin season index, and as you can see, we were strongly in the Bitcoin season from April this year until actually towards end of July. We moved above it, and it's strong Bitcoin season when we under 25. It's obvious altcoin season above 75. But here you actually, the altcoins are really going hard. And if you would like to accumulate altcoins on time when the price is actually much lower, then you should somehow do it, before it's getting to this point. Not financial advice. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but when we're looking at bigger altcoins, we can see that after some kind of rally in the first part of this year, they went down again quite significantly. So another move, it's maybe around the corner, but will it be? We're going to see it. Obviously, the big altcoin season is rather after we have Bitcoin all-time high. So I'm not talking about the major one, but can the altcoins get back in shape for a while? Yeah, that's obviously possible. And the third news is all about that SEC announces a $24 million settlement for case against Bittrex and its former CEO. So, SEC announces this $24 million settlement, and so the US regulator filed a complaint in April claiming that Bittrex and William Shihara operated an unregistered exchange, also separately charging Bittrex Global, so not just the one in the US. But yesterday, on the 10th of August, the SEC said Bittrex and Bittrex Global agreed to pay, and now I break down this 24 million, 14.4 million in disgorgement, their payment of ill-gotten gains, $4 million in pre-judgment interest, $5.6 million in civil penalties to settle the legal dispute with the federal regulator. The agreement is still subject to court approval. That's important. So the approval from the court, it's not there, but the SEC and Bittrex Global, and the former CEO of it has actually agreed. So it looks like that, they're saying there's unregistered exchange and so on and so forth. But at the end of the day, you pay some fine. Okay, it's not little money, but maybe it's not a big deal for Bittrex. I don't know really. And then they just move on kind of. So So this another situation between a crypto firm and the SEC. As you know, the SEC is after many crypto projects and firms which are related to crypto. Guys, basically then I think that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. So subscribe for daily content, because then you won't miss a single thing. If something coming important or anything really major happening in crypto, blockchain, economic related news, then I'm going to talk about it here on this channel. So subscribe button all, that's the order you have to do, and then you will get the notifications as soon as the new video is out. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. I wish you a great weekend. We will see how Bitcoin will perform during the weekend. The short videos will come during the weekend as well. And with another longer video, I'm coming back on Monday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.